Look here. Alright. Just got off work. Ate me a little dinner. We're gonna see how long it takes me to catch a fish. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. It's currently 7 o'clock. We got the rod out, the little 7-footer. Throwing the little parachute Adams. We're gonna see if we can get one to ride. Spot number 1 was a bust. We're gonna ease on to spot number 2. I'm gonna have to throw on a little net. Not much rising action going on. Oh yeah. There he is. See if we can land this one. Oh, he's fighting. Oh no, he's got us hung up. Oh, we got him out. Let's get over here and check him out. What do we have here? Boy, it's a pretty one. A little wild native rainbow trout. Very pretty. Got some cool little spots on him. Go ahead and get him back. There he is. Whoa, seen him a-flying. Another little guy. Whoop, he just fist bumped the camera. All right. Go ahead and get him back. That's 3. Turned out to be a good little evening here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There he is. Oh, he's a fighting. Oh, look what a jump. Boy, that sure is a pretty one. See if we can't land him here. Uh-oh, he's getting down the creek on me. There he is. Check him out here. Uh-oh, he broke the line. Try to get the hook back. Boy, look for the fish. Go ahead and get the net back. Get him back in the water. That's number 5 this evening in about 30 minutes. It's hard to beat. Sure does beat laying on the couch, I know that. We'll holler at you next time.